Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is 𝐬𝐽𝐻 and welcome back to Learnomate Technologies. So today I just thought to share with you the setup of Learnomate Technology. It's a very small office, but I think that definitely you will like it. So let's come back here, and this is the reception area where my receptionist is sitting over here. She or he always give the description about like what are all trainings we have in our training institute, and so this is something where this is the first thing, first point of contact whenever someone is reaching out to our office. Now let's come back, let's come inside here, and this is the setup of Learnomate classroom training here. So I just thought to share with you some of the things related to the Learnomate. Like Learnomate office is available in the Pune location. Okay, we are in the Wakad. There is a location called Wakad. In Wakad, we have our offices available here in the Pune location, and this is the place where my students are sitting over here. And if you just come here, you can see that I just thought to, whenever someone is coming to office, he or she should see some of the messages over here. So there is a first message: a little progress each day adds up to a big result. So as the name suggests, like if you are doing a small thing, definitely you can add something in your career also. The future depends on what you do today. Definitely, that is very important, right? So if you are ready to put the efforts today, your future will be definitely bright. So try to add something technically sound yourself, and this is the second area where I try to keep: the future is bright, the failure is not the opposite of success, it is a part of success. So what this message is saying, that like whenever you go for an interview and by any chance if you are not able to crack the interview, that's okay. It is happening with everyone, even it is happening with me also. So whenever I go to the interview after a long time, I will not be able to crack the interview. But if you are giving a lot of interview, one or other day you are going to crack it very very, and with the good package also. Okay, so this is area where if I want to draw something, let's say I want to discuss about some particular topic. So I think here I was discussing about the data guard environment. So whenever I want to discuss and I want to show something, so I can use this whiteboard, and my students are watching from here. Now when I want to show them something practically, that time I'm using this is a projector. On my that side you can see the projector here. So whenever I want to show something from the projector light is directly coming here, and we can see the things over here. Okay, and this is a location where I usually sit, and whenever I want to do some practice, or whenever I want to show them something practically, so I can show them from here also. This is the area where I usually sit, and whatever I'm typing it over here, everything they can see on the screen itself. So this is a small setup which we have created in the Pune location. And so we already have a lot of trainings available in our institute. Starting from, we are giving a training on Oracle DBA, then we are giving a training on RAG DBA. We are also providing the training on SQL Linux technology. Then we have big data, Hadoop, AWS technologies, AWS cloud related things. AWS training we are starting in next 2-3 days only. Then we have a training for Power BI, Salesforce. So basically all the technologies we have here, most of the technologies they're trained by me itself. And so I would like to create a platform where you don't need to go anywhere. If any person is coming to my classroom, he should be able to get each and everything real time. So we have 15,000 people are there followed by us on our YouTube channel. So this is a golden opportunity. So one more thing, like my YouTube channel name is 𝐬𝐻, which is my name, but I'm planning to change it to the Learnomate Technologies, because one thing, that now we are not only just specific to me, we are expanding ourselves with the multiple other technologies also. So it is not just one person now, it is a company basically. So that is the reason we are expanding ourselves with the new name. The name is Learnomate Technologies, and things are going very very good. We can see a very good response from my student. So if you want to start your journey with the IT industry, irrespective of any technology, you can reach out to us. Thank you so much for reaching out. Thank you. Bye bye. See you again with the next video.